grade, and my poem is called Birds in Flight. This is my poem. Birds in flight. They love to splash in bird baths. I love to swim. They could talk to me, I could talk to them. They have yellow beaks. My favorite color is yellow. Birds in flight. I think birds like to talk, I like to talk. I like the feeling. It's really exciting. And it's surprising that I got to be published, and it's also very exciting to know that I got published. I think it's very good feeling and exciting to know that I'm a full published writer.